step one. All right, hey, Dave Knight here for 123daytrade.com. Today is Wednesday, April 10th, 2019. Get the Camtasium rolling here. We're about 30 minutes outside of the report. 27 minutes. Report release coming out at 9:30 a.m. We also have the Fed meeting minutes coming out and the federal budget 10-year auction and the inventories. So actually that's already been out, the core CPI and whatnot. That should already be known. So inventories. Now it shows as a yellow report at Forex Factory, but consider it a red report in the crude oil market. It's forecasting 2.6 million. Previous was 7.2 million, and like I always talk about, this is one of the most manipulated reports that you'll find in any given month, day, week, or excuse me, every week. So they're expecting right there, and we'll see what the number is after the fact. I usually don't look at the number until after the fact, but what we're looking for right now is obviously a surprise to the market that will be tradable to make some money off of. Now, as far as high volume today, as far as I know, we haven't had 1,000 volume bar whole session. The session looks like it's been pretty tight as well as far as the range. Yeah, nothing here, no volume to speak of really in the market this morning into last night into now. The range right now, we're looking at 64.54 high and a 64.05 low. So what is that? Not even 50 ticks. That's 49 ticks right now. So we're waiting for the inventory report to come out, which will come out in about looks like about 25 minutes from now. If I get a one trade win, I'll move on to step two. So hopefully today will be the day that I move up and move on. It's in 31,694.60. So I'm $305.40 away. So a 2p move of 33 ticks will definitely win the day today if I can get a one trade win of a 2p move. Now the CLPIT strategy I talk about is designed to get 3p or a 3p move or a 3 today that's about 3p today is 50.51. So we'll measure it out as well. And 1 hour stop is 14, 2/3 stop is 9.2, rounds up to 10. So we can go with a 10 to 14 tick stop right now. 13.9 is 1 hour, so rounds up to 14. 9.2 rounds up to 10, always round up. I know it rounds down to 9, but the 0.2 always err to the number above it. Doesn't matter to me. The rounding rules don't matter. Always round up. So 2/3 stop is 10 ticks today, and 1 hour is at 14. We're set up right now for 14 and 33. Hopefully we can get it off the first trade today and be done. At least that's my plan. Welcome to the room today. Those that are new, our first day in here. Now, as far as rules go right now, actually I think we're closing in on the pivot point again. Yeah, we're right above it right now. As far as the top step trader rule is, you can't come into the trade until 1 minute after the release of the report. So I have to wait for 9:31 to print. I can't just jump in the market. They have a rule that you can't trade until a minute has passed by, which is stupid. As soon as the report comes out, you should be able to trade it. It's the effect of the report prior to the release, I think, more than anything. I'm pretty sure that's still the rule. 1 minute. It used to be 5. I got them to come down to 1. So hopefully today will be a one trade win. That's always a good day if you can get a one trade win. Today, that's all I need. I'm within striking distance of moving on. Again, I've been here a couple other times. I think this is the second time I've been up to this level. Last time I was here, I dropped down to 31,009. I lost 42 ticks. The last time I was up close to this level, and now I've built the account back actually higher than it was prior. High prior to this was 31,450. Now I'm at 31,694, almost 31,700. Obviously simulated money. A top step trader, you have to move on from one step to the next step before they will give you the funded account with real money in it. All right, so that's going to do it for this part of it. Let me stop there or pause this video on the Camtasia side until the report comes out close to it. All right, so opening trade was a loser for 10 ticks. We got a tiebreaker scenario right here. We need volume to kick in, one way or the other. We have a red and a blue, so we're in a tiebreaker. When I recognized it, that's when I moved my stop closer. Sometimes your eyes don't see everything. Even though it's on the chart, you may see it quicker than I do. This was the trading bar, and then I was trying to get in, and then I got in here, but this bar had printed, and I was looking to get long. Once I saw it, I moved it up to stop. I would have taken a 14 tick hit though if I wouldn't have taken it. Got a Ziggy Man Foreman here. Try a short at 32. Still looking to see if we bust that high. So 7 million. Surplus of 7 million. We'd think that would drive the prices down a bit. 2 weeks in a row with a surplus. This line right here is the short below line for now. I'd like to see it run the high by a couple ticks and then sell it off. That's the true line right there. 64.34. So right now we have what I call a Ziggy man on the charts. That's what I'm looking for. Trying to get in here and break. Going with a 10-tick stop now. So looks like I'm looking for 63.89, so that means that I need a new low. So hopefully when it breaks through, it'll go down hard. All right, got a positive slippage. You don't see that in the real account, but get it in here. 64.33. 1p down move is 16. 2 is 99. And hopefully we get out before the 82 mark. The 3p down move is 63.82. That's 1p right there. It's kind of our break-even target if we can get it. Two P down 63.99. That's our target. And 3P down on entry point 63.82. So that's what the strategy is designed, is to reach that 63.82. All right, break even, break even, break even. Hopefully we won't look back. 64.05 is the previous low. See if we can bust through that. Let's go ahead and lock in 5. $63.99 is a 2P target. That's what I'm looking for next. Hopefully we got enough to run this. Went down to 64.05 and bounded off of that. Hopefully we can run back down here and get through it. I'm going with a 29 stop. No, come on, you bastard. 31 stop. All right, 28. 28. We'll go with the 3 tick stop above 28. Hopefully we can hold on. Come on, baby. Get down. If the 28 can hold, we're good right now. We'll see. Need to bust a 64.05 though. There's a 200 right there. Look at that. 200 at 21, 122 at 24, 179 up there at 30, 184 at 30. See if they want to run this market up here. Hopefully not. Two weeks in a row with a surplus and the market continues to move up. What's up with that? Oh my. Can you say manipulation? Yeah, I can say it. Looks like I got some bullshit moving coming up through here. Might run us out. Come on, baby. Run it down, damn it. Please. Where are the sell orders? Let's go. Stopping at the pivot. Come on, break through that 6405. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Can we complete this triangle? Can we complete this triangle? Bust through that 6405 right there. Come on. Time to pump some music in my ears, that's for damn sure. Try not to trade anymore. Through 05, let's go. Come on. We can protect 29. We have 14 million surplus barrels of crude oil. Send the market down. Let's go. Break 6405. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on now. they've been able to fight it off. Shit. The tiebreaker favors the long right now. But I don't like the long. I don't like the long. I do not like the long with 14 million of a surplus. Come on. All right. Can we break through this time? How high did we get that time? 24. All right. So 5 over 24 is 29. All right, so what do I need? 63.89, I believe, is what I need. 63.89. 63.90. Come on, baby. Fight it through there. Let's go. Get through. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. I got places to be, people to see. Let's go. All right, look at that. 175 at 11. 101. Hope we can get through those. Get through those right there. 175 at 11. 101 at 64.10. Get through that. Opens the door lower. Come on, push through, push through. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm going to protect 31. If it takes me out, it takes me out. It was a good fight. I can't trade again. Just be done -8. Screw it. Live to fight another day. They want to take me out. All right. Took me out again. Happens. Just can't win today. So if we look at the market right now, what do we got? Tiebreaker favors the long side, but we were short into that. You got to be kidding me. 64.31, that's all you got in you. You dare stop there going up. All right, so we got a GAN signal coming through here. 21 to short. Don't like it though. Really, I prefer to see volume kick in before I try a short again. Because it knocked me out. It is what it is at this point. There's not much I can do about that. Wait for volume. Probably going to go retest that high at 54. Back to 31, but not through. All right, let's keep my finger away from the trigger over there. It's already taken me out. So 32 keeps me in, 31 knocks me out. I have no freaking clue. It happens. Shit. Nah, I just got a feeling it's going to come down hard still. I just couldn't stay in it on the retracement trades. It spiked up just a little bit. Now it's in that no man's land where you just don't know. If we look at volume, what do we see? Obviously my bias is playing in right now. But we have a red, a blue, then we have these right here. Now here's the 5 in reds coinciding with the bottom right now. So there's a long signal in the market right now. But we have 7 million in surplus times 2. So last 2 weeks we've got a 14 million build in crude oil, and the prices are being manipulated this way when they should be going that way. So I'm going to stand aside until I see volume at this point. Market's trading at 64.20.21 right now as I'm drawing on the charts. Shit. The best trade has already been in. Now I need volume. I got to have volume to make me want to do anything. I've got to stay away from the trigger finger here. This is where I lose my money. I'm just sitting down -8 right now. I live to fight another day. So I'm only down -8, -7 or somewhere on there. Yeah, -8. Plus commission costs. I'm at 31,607.20. I'm still within striking range of 32,000. I might have to do it tomorrow. Might have to wait for tomorrow. So close, but so far. So I'm within $400 of being able to hit this bastard. But we need volume now. Now we need volume to kick in. So let's think. What can happen? Let's think out loud quickly while we're thinking. We've got, what do we got in front of us? We have FOMC meeting minutes, right? Let's think about this logically while I'm trying I have a full screen here to stop me from pulling the trigger on it. So what do we got right now? We have the 10-year bond auction. That could slow the market down. And we have the FOMC meeting minutes coming out at 1 o'clock. So what I'm going to say right now is right there. there's a little bit more interest in this than I thought. Let's look at the economic reports for tomorrow and the rest of the week. What do we got going on tomorrow? FOMC meetings, speakers, natural gas storage, 30-year bond auction, trade balance, that's in Canada, or wait, that's CNY, that's not Canada, that's what's CNY, I forget. Sweden? What's CNY? China? Oh, thank you. So that's the, all right, so you can actually adjust this for America if you want to. Friday, what do we have going on? A whole bunch of nothing. Got the University of Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectation. Nothing going on Friday. It's interesting, that's not a 13th, right? Friday, April 13th, it seems to happen an awful lot over the years. But it's April 12th this year. Almost positive last year was Friday the 13th on April. OPEC meetings all day. There you go. Look at that bastard right there. That's the big thing right there. All day OPEC meetings. So that must be influencing today a little bit more. All right, that's what we see. We see the OPEC meetings is influencing this. So that makes me feel a little bit better about it not moving. Now it makes sense why it's not moving. And there's nothing here in volume. Looking at our 5-minute chart, we're trading underneath the 200 bar line, but right now, honestly, it wouldn't surprise me to see us go retest these highs. Without volume right now, which side do we hit first? I don't know. We've already been here, but now we've been here. So now they run it back up here. So, and when in doubt, they're going to run ranges, right? That's what you'll find. When there's a question mark, a big freaking question mark, they're going to run a range. So it wouldn't surprise me to see us get back up here to the highs. And then push off of that and come back down to the lows. It might bust it by a tick or two or whatever. It was able to hold. If it was going to bust, if it was going to break, in my humble opinion, we came down, not this time, but this 5-minute bar right there. That would have been the time for it to come on down. Without the OPEC meeting in front of it, and with all the surplus of oil, over the last 2 weeks we have a 14 million build. So you would think with that OPEC influence right there that would drive the prices down at least a little bit. But I'm going to say that all-day report tomorrow is playing in the market now. So it's not really what I'm trying to say right now. It's not really going to be a technically driven day today. Not technically driven. It's going to be a big, as I think Kim said, a big nothing burger, right? It's a big nothing burger. All right. I'm going to pause the Camtasia here because I'm running on almost, what, 47 minutes. That's long enough for one video for any given day.